Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're going to take a guided tour of a place you spend a ton of time in every single day, your digital workspace.
So let me ask you this. Does your computer screen ever feel, a little chaotic? Just a total jumble of icons and windows? Yeah, you're not alone. But what if we looked at it differently? What if instead of seeing a mess, you saw it as a map? A map to everything you need. That's exactly what we're about to do.
So just forget the clutter for a second. Think of this as your own personal tour of your digital command center. We're going to break down the 3 key areas so you can start navigating it like an absolute pro.
Okay, our first stop is the biggest, most obvious part of your screen, the desktop. This is really where all the magic starts.
Here's the best way to wrap your head around it. Don't think of it as just a screen. Picture a real physical desk in your office. That's your desktop. It's the surface where you put all the stuff you're working on right now or the things you need to grab in a hurry. It's your main workspace.
And what's sitting on this desk? Icons, right? That's the official name for all those little pictures. Each one is basically a doorway, a shortcut that zips you straight to a program, a specific document, or a whole collection of files.
And, these icons pretty much come in 3 main flavors. You've got your application icons, which launch your software. Then there are file icons, which open up that specific photo or that report you were writing. And of course, folder icons, which are basically your digital manila folders for keeping everything organized.
All right, let's keep the tour moving. Now we're going to look at that long strip that's usually hanging out at the bottom of your screen. This is the taskbar. Think of it as your dashboard.
So if we stick with our analogy, and the desktop is your actual desk, then the taskbar is kind of like the dashboard in your car. It gives you all that at-a-glance info about what's running, and it gives you quick access to your most important controls. It's all about what's happening right now.
Your taskbar is basically juggling 3 crucial jobs all at once. First, it shows you every single app that's currently open. Second, you can pin your favorite apps there so they're always just one click away. And third, it's where you find your status area. That little corner with the time, your Wi-Fi signal, and the volume control.
Now, this is a really important distinction. A pinned app is like a favorite tool you've decided to keep on your dashboard permanently, whether you're using it or not. An open app, on the other hand, is a tool you are actively using right now. Your computer will usually give you a little visual hint, like a line underneath it or a glow, to show you that it's running.
Okay, for our final stop on the tour, we are heading to the absolute hub of your command center, the Start menu. This is your master toolbox.
It's simple, really. If you can't find what you need on your desk and it's not on your dashboard, where do you go? You go to the toolbox. The Start menu is exactly that. It's the one central, organized place where every single tool, every app, every setting is stored and ready to be found.
So what's actually in this toolbox? Well, you've got a complete A to Z list of every single program you have. You've also got a super powerful search bar. Seriously, you can type almost anything in there and it'll find it. And of course, this is also where you get to all those core things, like computer settings and the power options, like shut down and restart.
So, we've visited the 3 main regions of your digital workspace. Let's kind of pull back now and take a look at the complete master map we've just laid out.
Let's just tie this all together, shall we? The desktop, that's your desk for all your current work. The taskbar, that's your dashboard, showing you what's happening right now. And the Start menu, that's your toolbox for finding absolutely everything else. Desk, dashboard, toolbox. See? Once you start looking at it that way, the whole layout makes perfect sense.
So, the whole point here is that it's not just a random mess. It's a really powerful, organized system designed to help you. The tour's over, and you're the guide now. With this new map in your head, what's the first thing you're going to organize? What are you going to pin? The command center is all yours.